Hi, I'm 𝐇𝐞 𝐂𝐚𝐧, licensed loan officer in Michigan, and I help first-time homebuyers get homes and build equity and wealth without any hassle or stress. Today, I want to talk about why you want to choose the correct lender. And I'm going to go ahead here and share my computer screen. Let me just hit this button here. And if you just type in lenders near me on Google here, as you see, there's a lot of lenders, and let's even hit more. And I hit more. I mean, there's so many lenders and broker shops and banks, online lenders, and these are just local lenders. These don't even include like the online lenders, like the Quickens, like the Rockets, some of the Wells Fargos. Those are online lenders, things like that. So how do you choose the right lender? As a first-time home buyer, you may be confused. And some people feel like lenders are like a commodity, almost like, the airports where you can fly different airlines. But we all know that sometimes when you get those budget cheap flights, it can be a horrible experience, like Spirit, for example, things like that. So not all lenders are created the same, just like not all airlines are created the same, and people always want to use price, like the rate. Hey, what's the lowest rate? I'll use this Joe Blow mortgage shop I never heard of because they got a low rate. But remember, if they give you a low rate and you don't close, did that rate really count? So today I want to go over how to choose the lender, the best lender. What do you do? The first and most important step in buying a home is getting pre-approved. So that's a very important step. And you want to talk to a lender that's going to take the time to understand your financial situation. Now, sometimes if you just call a 1-800 number or click on an ad, you're going to be routed to a call center. And the call center where I came from, it's like really, really fast. It's quick conversation, everything fast. They're not going to take the time opposed to a local lender. Even some banks are like that. So banks are weird. When banks want mortgages, they're great. When banks don't really want mortgages, they're not so great. So it really depends, but you want someone that you feel comfortable with, that's asking you good questions and really understanding what you're looking to accomplish. And the second thing, now you do want a competitive interest rate and terms. So after they take the time to understand your needs and what you want, your payment, your budget, everything like that, how much money you're going to bring for your down payment, then you want to kind of ask a little bit about what are the terms, what are the rates, things like that. And then also you want to do your research and ask about their process. You want a smooth process. Buying a home, there's a lot of moving parts. And if that lender doesn't coordinate everything, it could be a headache for you. And what I mean by a headache is when you submit the same pay stubs and then a week later, someone else reach out to you and ask for it again. I've seen it. There's some lenders where it's just random people from that company asking you for stuff. They're not organized. They're not uploading things. It just becomes very frustrating with you. So you want a smooth, efficient process. And it also very important is that you want a lender that's going to collect your documents up front. Collect your tax returns, your W-2s, your pay stub, your bank statement up front. Now, some lenders will give you something called a pre-qualification and not a pre-approval. A pre-qualification just means they ran your credit and they verbally listened to some of the stuff you said, but they didn't review everything. You want to submit all your documents. You want the underwriter to review it and sign off on it, because that's the most strongest pre-approval you have, when an underwriter signs off on it. So choosing the right lender is very important. And, look at their reviews, look at their website, things like that. I recommend using kind of a local lender. Let's type in Google near me and find a nice local one with some stars and click on their website, and or ask a friend, or your realtor can refer you a good lender. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions, comment below. I'd love to answer it for you. I'll see you in the next video.